Hi guys. Uh, take two. And sorry, take two po. Malabo. Sorry. Malabo. Madilim. So, thank you for watching. Take two. Thank you for joining. Thanks for joining. I need to join. Wait. Hi, Sedulous thumbs up. Sorry. Oh, sad. Palungkot. I need to join. You join, please. Join me, please. Thanks so much. Nourish by music. Thanks so much. Thanks so much for joining. Join me, please. Thanks for the thumbs up. 1 million viewers. Thanks so much. Wow. Wait. How? Oh man. How to add? How to add you? I don't know. Hindi ko alam gamitin. How? Paano ba? Paano? I don't know. Yes. Please how to add? How to add? Yes. How to add? Wait, I, I didn't see the how to add. Oh, oh, wait. Yeah, yeah, it's this one. I didn't wait. This is Sunday. Yeah, I see your screen. I see your screen. I see. I didn't find how to add the three dots. The three dots. The three dots. Three dots. I see three dots. I click three dots. And select. See. Quarantine. Sorry. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't click my screen. Oh, oh, okay. Yes. Yes, I got
Oh
it.
man,
I got
you
it.
made it. You see my screen and you click.
Wait, you wanna see the
It
wait,
was very
you
easy.
want to see the view?
Oh my
I'm so stupid. You want to see the view? Because yes, yes. That's a quarantine. Sorry, yeah, yes. Yeah.
it was very easy.
The view. Bicol, Rosin. Bueno, Delanusa. You wanna see the beautiful view?
There's a delay.
Huh?
I have to tap.
Ano na, ano, ano? I receive this. Wait, wait. Saan pwede pa? Wait. Yeah.
Hello, everyone. Who's there? I think there's a connection problem on your part. I'm alone now in the stream. I'm alone now in the stream. Hi, Karen. You see me? You hear me? Hi, Karen. You see me? What happens? I'm stealing her live stream. What happens? We're okay. I'm stealing her. I'm okay. I've just got up from bed. Um, maybe 20 minutes ago. I'm okay. I've just got up from bed. I'm eating oatmeals, oats. Yeah, oats. It's summer here, but it's windy and chilly. It's cold today. Really strange summer. July has been horrible. So where's Sheryl? I'm waiting for connection to be back. I'm still in the alias. It's working. Mm, are you still here, uh, Karen? Is it working?
Connection too slow.
I
Oh my.
hear you. I
Hi.
hear.
Hi, Karen. Hello.
Ah, you're here.
Thanks for visiting my LS. Karen Hitaria. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Did you hear me?
I thought you were gone forever.
Forever. No, forever. My forever. Thanks so much. How are you both? Okay
Yeah,
naman kami. How are
I
you daw?
already,
Okay
I already
naman.
answered.
Salamat sa pagpunta. Much appreciated po. And sa thumbs up, thank you.
Oh my God, I think she's gone.
Ha?
She's gone. I think
Ha?
Karen. I think she's
Karen.
gone.
Yan, si Karen. Salamat, Karen, sa pagpunta. Thank you sa pag-join.
It's your first uh, visitor, first viewer, apart from
Ah,
me.
ah, first time. First time. Failed. First time LS. Pero failed. Failed.
We need to put music here, DJ.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can you
I
put
don't know
music?
if it's
Ah, thanks.
from
I'll be
my
there.
computer, my laptop,
Oh, yeah.
from my laptop.
On your laptop.
But
Laptop.
maybe there will be
Tagalog song. Okay naman kami,
what's your
Karen. Salamat sa
Tagalog?
pagpunta. Ha?
Tagalog music.
Tagalog.
I'm still here. I think I'm
Ay,
frozen.
walang signal doon, banda. Papunta sana ako doon. Wait. Sige, so,
Pakisagot lang po sa mga kwarto niyo na maghahanap doon po kamo. Iyalan po sa awin sa langga. Pakisagot po sa mga kwarto. Kay balik doon na gabi po ako sumapaling po ako na 24.
announcement. Because
Pakisagot
we
po sa
have...
mga ginagawa ko sa mga kwarto.
Ay,
What's the announcement?
our partners. Mm, mm. We're good, thanks. Bye. I have work, sorry guys. Can't stay long. Okay lang, Karen. Thanks so much. Salamat sa pagpunta. Sobrang ano talaga. Helpful. First time ko mag sorry guys. Hagardo. Walang make up. First. Sorry, wala akong make up.
What is the announcement? You have to stay
Salamat,
outside.
Karen. Ha? Tagalog music, English. Pwede.
But we need
Yun.
copyright free
Last song.
music.
Ha?
Copyright free. We need copyright free music.
Yung last song na, ano, free copyright. Pinoy song.
Aming ano yan? May nagsasabi po ikaw
Hmm.
din.
Yes.
Pinoy song. Ha?
Wait, I'm searching. Hmm.
Salamat, Karen. Thanks so much, Karen.
Remix, Tagalog
Ah,
remix.
Pinoy song, Pinoy. Tagalog. Pwede Bisaya. Pwede Bisayan song.
Wait, I checked that
Ah,
it's
ano
free.
song title? I feel low. I feel low. I feel low.
Oh yeah,
I'll be there.
hello.
I'll be there.
I'll be there. Uh, Wait, I have to remember.
Thanks, guys. Thumbs up. Thanks so much. Hi, the course. The course. Thanks so much, the course.
Sorry.
First time. First time ko mag-LS. Thanks, Beshi. Thanks so much. Oh, much appreciated.
Hey,
The
the
course.
car.
Thanks so much sa pag-guide. Ha?
The car.
Naka-face mask kasi naka-quarantine. Kauwi ko lang, Bicol.
Thanks for
Thanks so much,
5,000.
Beshi, sa pag-join. Yes? What?
5,000.
The cards. Hello, Sheryl. First, alas mo to. Alas mo to, Beshi. Buti nahuli ko sa notif ko kasi nakakalimbang ka sa akin. Thanks so much, the cards. Oh my God, much appreciated. I join my LS. First time ko talaga mag-LS. Salamat sa 4 million viewers. 4 million.
Yeah, the
Thank you so
first
much,
ever
guys.
LS. I'm trying to put
Yes.
music, but
Oo naman, nakakatambay ka sa akin
uh,
sa LS. Oo, nakapunta ako
I
sa
hope
LS mo. Malaking
I hope
tulong
it
yun
goes.
sa akin kasi na-reach ko yung 500. Thanks so much, the course. Nice the music. The course is very legit friend, supportive. The course. The course.
Hello
I feel so
and
supportive.
foreigner. The chorus. Yes,
The
I will
course.
add you. The
The
chorus.
course.
Uh,
Ah,
it's the search first.
hello daw
The
from the course.
chorus.
Yes naman. Hello, Mr. Foreigner. Mr. Foreigner, hello daw.
You can't
Hello.
add links
The
now
course.
in your
Thanks
chat.
so much, the course. So much appreciated talaga. Nag-join ka sa first LS ko. Naka-quarantine. Kaya tingnan mo maulan dito. Umulan. Yan.
So the
Uy,
chorus.
shit.
I'm searching.
Ah, may jowa.
Sharat, what is
Tama ka po.
your
The course. Tama ka po, Sisi. Napaka-supportive po niya.
I
Sobra.
found you. I found
Tapos
I
ito lang
found
ako po naisip. Tapos ko lang mag-illustrate.
I found the
Ah,
chorus.
oo nga. Busy ako kasi minsan walang signal dito. Nagpalit nga ako ng SIM.
Hair rebounding at home.
Thank you so much.
Found the
Haha,
video.
love it. Katamis.
Starting your video,
Love it.
the
Katamis.
chorus, and
Thanks so much.
subscribing with your hair rebounding. I'm watching your short video, 1 minute 26. You hear me? Suddenly there's no sound. Mm, hair rebounding at home. Aglow. House of Beauty. See the glossy shine. Step 2. I think she had problems because it happened before. Maybe the connection. So now I'm the second host. Um, okay, I liked your video. 36 likes. I'm the 36, and I just subscribed to you. I'm
Sorry.
gonna.
Nagkaroon ng ano, sorry guys, sorry. I don't know if...
Now you're back.
Sorry, Ceci. Nagkaroon ako ng
No
problema
worries.
konti. Connection problem. Problem.
It's okay because it works for
Problem
me.
talaga yung connection
When you have a
dito.
problem, I'm still here.
Ha?
When you have a connection problem, I'm still here and it's working. So
Hi, thank you.
that's
Thank
good.
you so much sa pag-join. Sige. Premiere mamaya 9 p.m. Pupunta po kami. Punta kami sa premiere mo. I-watch pa namin yung videos mo mamaya 9:15 p.m. Noted, noted. Noted po. So, connection problem. Kasi maulan dito. Maulan.
I want to try
Madalas yung
music.
problema sa connection. Rainy,
The
rainy.
chorus I
Maulan.
connected you.
Maulan.
It's done. Bro,
Kuya,
uh,
makakali ka
so,
po na ako rin, bawal
so,
ko po doon.
um,
Tonight, 9 p.m. Nourish the Music joins the Cars premiere tonight.
9 p.m.
Afternoon there.
Philippines
9:15
time.
p.m. Pinas time.
Philippines time.
Please come with me mag-make up
9:15.
transformation ako doon.
So for
Sige
me,
po,
it's
Sisi, the Cars.
3.
Punta po kami. 9 p.m. 9:15 p.m. the premiere. Papunta po kami with Nourish. We support. We support you.
Yeah, that's good because I don't make LS on my
Oo.
channel. I'm free, available.
Sorry.
Transformation.
Ano kayang
Um,
transformation na gagawin mo?
Sheryl
Siguro
also has a makeup video with her friend, my
skip
May.
the harang kasi 5 minutes. Baka hindi mo makita yung makeup ko. May paharang ka na. Oo nga, nung nandun ako. Pero nung ko sa LS mo, hindi, walang harang yun. Nag-join ako.
The,
Walang harang yun. Bago lang ba? Bago lang nagharang? Oo nga, may harang na. Sorry. Sorry. May harang na pala yun. 5 minutes. Sige, skip namin. Kasi para makita namin yung transfer. Ilang minutes yun? Yung premium mo mamaya.
I'm searching for music still. I'll be there. Mm, I'll be there to your life. I'll be there. Oh, okay. I found it.
Hindi ko marinig yung co-host ko.
I'll be there by schedule.
Sana may pa-makeup din para mag-transform naman ako. Hagardo na ako. Hagarda na si Manay.
Thanks, the course,
Wala
for
man lang
all
ka
your
makeup.
support.
Lakas ng loob mag-LS. Come with your Nourish, by music, we join, the Cars premiere tonight.
The
9,
chorus. Yeah,
the Cars. She's, yes, sabi daw niya, mag-join
come
kami
with
mamaya.
your Joa. Not bad. I'm learning Tagalog.
Tagalog. The course.
What
Love,
is
di ka ba?
Charot?
Parang,
I see that
ano
everywhere.
siya, yung co-host ko, sana may
Charot.
paharang din. Malapit na siya mamuni.
I always see the word charot. I don't know what it means.
The word, charot.
Charot.
Charot. Ano ba yan? Charot means, ano ba? Joke. Joke.
It
Joke.
means like lol.
Ah, go. Sige, promise, pupunta po kami. Promise. Punta kami sa premiere mo.
Charot.
Promise. Kahit batukan mo pa ako ng bongga, pupunta po talaga kami.
Sound
Oo.
here. Can I try to put music? Maybe
Charot means,
low, low volume,
hello?
low volume.
Music just to help watch our program.
Mm,
I'm going to play. Salamat. Salamat, Dakor. So, kailangan niya ng watch hours. Kunting kembot na lang,
okay.
marinig niyo na yung watch hours. Thanks so much.
Thank
Kunting
you. I
kembot
need
na lang talaga. Charot.
500. I mean,
500?
oh, my whole channel. I need
6,
500
500?
hours to finish.
Ah. Hello, salamat sa
Uncle, thank you.
Salamat
I
sa
will
support
also
na.
watch your class.
Ano FB nyo?
You can hear me?
Send ko ang resibo. Wait. Ang FB daw natin, can you
Thanks,
type
I'll
my
see you
name?
at us.
Sheryl.
Day at
Wait.
9:15.
Hindi ako makatype. Saan ba ditang type? Sheryl. Sheryl Marmol. Sheryl.
Sheryl Ma. So I can try music. Hope it works and
Ayan
no
na.
interference.
Same profile picture. Thanks so much, the cars. Yung co-host ko, hindi ko na maintindihan. Hindi ko maintindihan English eh. Sorry. Charot
Tell
means,
me if it works.
joke. Chat mo na lang ako, the cars FB file, FB page. Sige. Sige, Chat kita. Chat ka po namin. Diyos ko, naloka ako sa host. Hindi makapag-type. Oo nga. Tanga-tanga ko pa talaga. First time. Tanga-tanga ko talaga. Failed talaga. Nakailang try na ako talaga. Tapos, buti na lang yung co-host ko, mahaba yung pasensya. Pasensya na sa co-host ko. Tell me if the music is not too loud. Not too loud.
It's not too loud.
Yeah. Can't share any. I can't share any. Tell me if the music is not too loud. I was on picture of this.
Mm,
Ha? Hindi ko maintindihan ang co-host ko.
can make audio, microphone. Do you hear music?
No music. Walang music.
There's no. You hear?
No.
No?
No. Tagalog song.
Maybe because I use my earphones and it's on my laptop.
Sabi ko, sisend ako ng resibo ng watch hour.
And
Send
now,
daw ito. Si the cards. Sisend daw ng resibo. Receipt. She send the receipt of watch hour. Watch
you hear
hour.
now?
The course. The course. See the course.
Do you
Wait,
hear the
wait.
music?
The course. The course. Hindi niya pa mabasa siguro yung comment mo, the course. Kaya, busy pa sa pag-play. Wait lang. The course message.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for.
I'm going to send a picture to you. It's a picture that I watched your video for. No, it's the music. The course have the receipt. The watch hours. She sent receipt. Watch hours. CPR. CPR.
Don't play. Oh, copyright, you mean? Copyright music. There's no copyright. This
Oh,
one.
no copyright. Talaga yung mga music mo. Yeah.
You hear it?
Okay.
I'll be there for you. It's the Creative Commons license with no copyright. Like my channel. Never no copyright.
CPR. I will be back. I'm going to the sit premiere. Sige, the course. Thanks so much sa pagpunta. Salamat. Pupunta po kami mamaya sa premiere mo, 9:15 p.m. Salamat sa pagpunta.
Thanks
At
to friend.
sa watch hours sa co-host ko. Salamat sa watch hours. O, ayan na. May ka na. May sponsor ka na sa sa watch ko. For watch hours, the course. Thanks so much. Talaga, malaking tulong. Malaking tulong para sa pag-grow. No sound?
There's no sound.
No sound. No sound. Si ano yun? Si the course. No sound.
You hear no sound?
No
Did you
sound.
hear the music or not?
No music.
You
But
never heard?
I heard you, but no, not music. No music.
Never. You
Never.
never hear.
Never. Ano daw? Ang hirap naman. Ang hirap mo intindi. Ano ba yan?
Like
Oh my God. Oh my God. My God, kasi. I thought you heard all the time. Ayan tayo eh. Maling akala. Ayan, yan, yan. Tagalog yun. I thought. I thought. I thought, thought. I am what happens. Nahirapan ako magsalita. Oh,
like
ano ba yan? Paano naman susunod na ano ko, english ko? Ah, kawawa naman ako.
maybe there's a way to put music in StreamYard. I
Ha?
said maybe we can put music through StreamYard. Mm, Cam make audio. Mm,
Ah,
audio. Microphone.
what?
Green screen.
Ha?
We can't add a file on StreamYard. I don't I
StreamYard?
don't I don't
Ah,
see
oo.
we can't add an audio on in
Mm.
StreamYard. I don't see anywhere. So only from
Oo.
an external source, maybe my phone, something like that.
Mm.
But the sound is not the same. It's not really good with the phone. I put on my laptop, but you didn't hear. You didn't hear it. I put the music. I'll be there, but
Oo.
you didn't hear it. I wonder why. Mm, I unplugged my earphones and put laptop music, but it's not working.
Ayan, background. Paano maggawa niyan? How? Nahirapan ako magsalita. Nahirapan ako magpaliwanag. Ayang bot. Wait.
What?
Wait. Na, hindi ko alam ang sasabihin ko. Paano? How? Ayang bot.
I'll try to put a background image.
Si ano? Ayan. Salamat sa 2 million viewers.
Mm.
Thanks for 2 million viewers. Thanks so much. Ay, ay. Philippine. Proudly Filipino. Yan, ang ganda. Paano yan? Paano gumawa niyan?
Who are you talking
Gusto ko
to?
rin ganyan. Gusto ko din ganyan.
Is there someone in the chat?
Ano? A background? How to use that? How to use
You go to cam make. Go to cam
comic?
make. Just
Comic?
under the screen. Cam make.
Comic? Mic? Mic?
Yeah,
Comic?
there is mute, stop cam make.
Comic?
Share screen, leave studio. You go to
Comic?
cam under your
Walang,
screen. Under your screen.
walang comic.
Cam make.
No comic. I'm just using phone.
Scroll
So maybe I
down.
have to
Scroll down.
scroll down. Wait.
Under your screen in StreamYard. You're in StreamYard and you
So
scroll down.
I scroll down, just using make, come,
Cam,
guess,
cam
and
it
more.
cam
It's okay.
slash make.
Come slash make
Yeah,
slash
cam slash make. And
come slash.
you click
Oy,
this and then you go to green screen. Green
wala akong
screen.
nakita.
You see green screen, camera, audio, green screen.
I didn't see it. Wait lang. Maybe ano.
Connection problem.
Malis na. Ang hirap kasi ng ano, walang ano. Comment. Ano talaga? Hindi ko talaga makita. Nainis siguro yung sa akin. Ang hirap ng walang alam. Ayun, nakita ko na. Sorry ah. Sorry po. Standard definition. Camera, facing front. Nakita ko na. Facing front. Comic, facing front.
You're in StreamYard and
Oo, yeah.
you
Oo.
under the screen, just
Yeah, it's
under
comic.
cam
Oo,
make. You see?
comic. Yes, I see.
And green
Comic.
screen.
Then,
Green
nakita ko.
screen.
Screen. Green
Green,
screen. Green
yeah,
screen.
green
Green
screen.
screen. Oh,
And you
God.
choose
Try
a
again. Oh,
background.
wait. Ayan na. Ito na yun.
Choose an image, a picture from
Yun
your
na.
phone or default picture.
Type. Yun. Yun na yun.
Image.
Yun na yun. Nakita mo yun? Nakita. You see me?
Yes, I see you.
Yun. Ay, hindi pa rin. Nakita. Akala ko yun na yun. Wait lang.
Just you just
Standard green screen.
can make
Moment.
green screen, and then
Oo.
you choose a
Load.
background image
Wait.
from your phone.
No, 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 no. Yun na yun. Ayan na, na. Upload background. Wait. Ang hirap naman. Nahirapan talaga ako. Select. Yun na yun. I select pero hindi pa rin makita. Wait wait
I'm in the living
Give me
room.
time. Ah, ah.
I have a piano behind me.
Wait. Yun na yun
Three
eh.
cats.
Ay, ano. I add. I select. Will get green screen or blue screen is required. Blue,
Green screen.
green screen.
And then you
Green
choose
screen.
a virtual background. Choose a picture.
Choose picture.
Yes, you
Wait.
choose a picture.
Okay.
There is a plus. You see the
Uh,
plus? The plus?
okay.
If you
Ayan na.
click,
Ayan na kasi.
you
My
choose a
friend, ayun.
picture from your phone. Choose a
May
picture from
pagkain.
your phone.
Wait lang ah. Paano ba?
I'm trying to find another. Wow, this one is cool. Do you find a picture?
Yeah.
You see the plus sign? You turn the camera.
Hindi ko maano. Hanggang
Where are you now
wait.
on the screen? You didn't find?
Oh my god. Didn't see.
Babe, it's easy. Just green screen and then you choose the picture.
Find the sign. Find the sign. Find the sign.
It's not the same
Wait.
on your phone.
Green screen.
Do you see all the pictures? You see the pictures with the living room?
Yeah.
Do you see? And then after that there is a plus. There is a square, a
Square.
white
Square.
square, and a plus inside.
Mm-mm.
You don't see
Square.
this? White square and a plus inside. You click the plus. Upload background.
Upload background. Wait lang.
When you click on the plus, you see upload background. Then you choose the picture.
Golden. 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 Ayun.
Yes, it works. I see the living room, but I don't see you. I don't see your face. Where is the face? Maybe you choose blue. No, you choose green screen.
Get this internet.
Choose your own picture.
Sheryl, okay.
Do you like my picture? My background?
Kapatid.
There's a test.
Wait. Ano ilan? Ayun na yun. Wait lang. Maybe next time I need to learn this about mic.
You see me? You see me? Background. Oh my god, it's not working.
Ayan. Always happen. Ayan na. Night. 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 So maybe next time I like mic. 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 Mic calm.
What? Next time what?
I next time I use your background. Oh, beautiful background you have. I love the nature. So,
You like it?
yeah,
Like
I love it.
like
I love it.
it's like a movie in a
Yeah,
movie.
like a movie. No, like a movie.
Maybe it can be my next thumbnail. A
Thumbnail,
thumbnail
yeah. Oh,
like this.
I have an idea too. Thumbnail.
I think now I will use thumbnails with my face and a picture. I think it's good
Yes. Uh,
like this.
so beautiful.
Even if it's not a good situation here.
This
It's beautiful.
thumbnail, I want like that thumbnail.
Here you see.
What's that?
That
Snake?
would be a good
Snake?
thumbnail. Like
Ah, sige, sige.
I'm eating.
Ala na. Ay, green.
Bowl.
Yes, yes.
I'm catching the ball, the fireball, or Dragon Ball Z. You know Dragon Ball Z. Like,
Ano naman?
background picture is good to play and interesting.
Ah, maybe, maybe pass a mask. Uh, record Christmas. Mm. Nice, so nice.
We don't see the mask.
I see the mask.
You see?
I see the mask.
Yeah, but it's green
Ah, yeah,
here.
that's a green. It's a green mask.
Here, it's interesting. The fireball.
uh, yeah. The cars give you a seat.
Where? A
The
receipt?
cars, yeah, the cars, uh, she wants, ano ba yun? Hirap magpaliwanag talaga.
What?
The cars, and she wants give you a receipt for watch hours. Receipt
Where
for watch hours. She commented, read the comment. She
in your
commented,
life? In your life?
yun,
In your life?
not my life.
I'm
You're
doing
ano, she gave you receipt, resibo. Resibo ba?
receipt.
Receipt, receipt,
Yes,
resibo. The
yes.
resibo.
Where? Where? Where
Ano?
is
Ayan
the
na.
receipt? Wait,
Oh,
wait.
ano? Ang hirap pagpaliwanag talaga.
Where? Just
Where?
where? Where is the receipt?
She send. She send. Receipt.
Where she sent?
She asking me, ano, FB.
What?
She, FB. She sent there. There.
SB?
Uh, she message. She message for receipt. Receipt. Resibo.
I
Resibo.
don't. What? What?
Ayan na. Hindi tayo nagkaintindihan.
Oh,
Ano,
she's like,
walang
here,
translator. And
bye bye.
she said she sent the receipt for watch hours.
Yes, I
Watch
know
hours.
that. But
Uh,
where? Where is the receipt?
where she messaged. That's why she asking for ano, FB for the proof. The proof ba?
Ah, can I send the
Evidence. Evidence. She sent the evidence. Ay, nako.
I can what
Ha?
uh the course I can uh you can mm, question.
Dumating na yung pagkain namin.
Jennifer
We
Agaling,
have
may
free
nasusunod po
food.
din. Michael Ventura, may
People
nasusunod
today.
po. Bukas ng Provincial Information Office. Jennifer Agaling, Michael
She,
Ventura.
we post video there. Coco look like our Jesus, not because you are in paradise. Kamukha mo daw si ano, si Papa Jesus. You look like Jesus. Bagong ang ganda ng view. Here pa din ako, Beshi. Here pa din ako. Hi, salamat sa pag-stay. Thanks so much. Tawa pa mo. Tawa pa talaga. Tawa pa mo. Smile. Hi, Brad. The course, you
Mm,
can join my FB group for writing. Co-host, you
but
look like
I can't send the group. Um, I can't send my link. You didn't give me a jacket.
I don't know how to give jacket.
Oh my god.
Where
It's
the
just on the side of my message. The right of my message.
right? Right
Do you
message.
see my
Huh?
message? You just go up to the right and you see
Go
three
up.
dots.
Three that.
You
Three
see
that.
that in vertical,
Wait
like
lang. Three that. Show.
on right.
Put user in timeout. Two option. Have two option. Put user in timeout or block user.
What?
When the three dots, I click the three dots. I read put user
Oh,
in timeout or block user.
maybe click me. I don't remember.
Ha? Where's them? Hindi ko, hindi ko
Kanina.
alam talaga. Oh, may. Wait lang, wait lang. Kasi bawal lang. Wait.
I don't remember my last. Yeah, click the name. Maybe it's the name. I don't remember. My own LS. Yeah, I didn't remember. I thought it was the three dots. Oh, yes. You need to click the name of the person.
Ayan. When I click the three dots,
Yes, click the
I,
name. Click the name of the person.
I'll
The
click the
name
name
of the
of the
person. My name
wait.
and the course.
Okay.
Sorry,
The
I forgot.
the
I thought
three
it was
dots.
the three dots.
Uh,
Yeah, I don't remember.
when I click the three dots, I read no, put user in timeout and block
Yeah,
user.
no, it's not. It's not the three dots. Forget the three dots.
Not three dots. Where?
Just click my name or click the
Click your
course name. Click
okay. Click
our
your
name
name.
and you will see
Wait, that like that. I click
yes,
your name. Then
the course said this and just
wait.
click our name. You see our name.
Ang hirap ah.
Oh my god, I don't remember how I did this last time, but just try. Click the name and you
Labo
will
na.
see, yeah, you will see add. StreamYard. We can't we can't on
Ah,
StreamYard.
wait lang.
Oh, we can't add a moderator. So how do I send my link? Mm, wait.
When I click your name, I see show. Show?
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 Show. What?
Show.
Read the comment. Read the messages. The chorus explains. She explains. The chorus explains in the live chat.
Chat.
Check check our message.
Dapat may cellphone kang isa pa, besh. Ilagay mo main account sa YT para makapag-add moderate ka. StreamYard can add moderator, no selection from... Okay. Kailangan may extra daw akong
So we can't.
extra phone. Kasi hindi ako makalagay ng can't no, StreamYard can add moderator.
Hmm.
Need extra phone. Kailangan ko
I tried.
the car
Try to
said,
send.
dapat may cellphone kang isa para pang lagay mo main account sa YT para makapag-add ka.
I
StreamYard
tried
can add moderator, no
to
selection for
see if I
moderator.
missed.
The main account of YT, Sheryl will the moderator, extra phone or laptop.
I tried to do a secret
Oo, kasi
code
hindi ako makalagay
and
ng jacket. Kasi kailangan ko ng extra phone. Ah,
hmm,
kaya pala yung iba may sila. Oh, I need extra phone to put pa jacket. Group slash Facebook. Can you see my comments first? Ay, okay. Sorry, sorry. Oh my God.
I sent my group. Hmm, hope it's working. Yes, I see your comment. So you just um, you just replace dot with the symbol and slash with the symbol and just no space, just everything connected. And that's my group. So I hope it will work. You put this in Google. I didn't mute Babe crying. Baby crying. Not babe. Baby crying. Can you log in your laptop, the YouTube account of Sheryl? Yes, I can do that. Um, but you will. Hmm, another tab. Yeah, maybe I can do. How is it called? navigate uh, private private browser maybe. Yes, I will log in, and yeah, I can log in and I can go to a live stream, and then I give the jackets. I can try. I will try. Okay, so youtube.com. Don't know if you can hear me. I hear no sound because she muted. So I will try. But she muted only her cam, I think. Um, so YouTube. YouTube. So I'm trying. Wow, it's slow suddenly. Hmm. Okay. It's a little slow. Um, if login already the account of Sheryl, go to your LS and click the three. Yes, I will try. Nosebleed, Nakobish. Nosebleed. Mm. So switch accounts. Yes, I can go to her channel because sometimes I help her, so I can. Oh, I see the LS. Test for LS. I'm gonna see myself. Okay, I put a thumbs up. It's a little slow to connect, but I'm here. I'm on her LS now. Yes, I already logged in. Now I can give the jackets. I use the three dots to see. Oh yeah, it's the three dots actually. Yeah, because clicking on the name doesn't work. I'm here to support you, my dear Beshika Hypnos. Yes, I see the threads. I just I did it, and so where I am? Where am I? I had myself too. I add myself as a moderator. I am self-moderated. Yeah, thanks. So it was the three dots actually. I don't never remember because the last time I did it, it was maybe months ago, 2 months ago. Okay, so now I disconnect, I change, I switch accounts. It's good that I can access to help. So, what is who has a nosebleed? Oh, oh yeah, remember now. It's when we speak another another language. I remember. Yeah, true friends help so much. I like the rainbow in Bicol. You still muted? There's still the baby crying. Do you know when he stops crying? There is a crying schedule. I think you're frozen. I try so hard to English to help you. But do you speak English in the Philippines? Not listener, you good reader. Oh yeah, because I don't hear. I just read. But yeah, that's the expression to be a good listener. Thanks so much, Beshi, sa pagstay. Sa pagstay sa support. Sobra talaga. First, tell us. Cool, love, guys. Yeah, that's your first tell us. You started 83 minutes ago. That's 1 hour and 23 minutes. Where did you meet on YouTube? Did you join another LS in someone's chat? I wish many people, many other friends could join. You need to share. I'm gonna share the live Facebook. By the way, the course. Did you what? If you use green screen, do not wear green and blue shirt. It will be invisible. Oh yeah, because it's already green. I wear blue, but it's yeah, that's why it's a little invisible. So my face is not blue and it's not green. I forgot what I want to do. Um, oops, I forgot what was I saying before? Mm, the course. That's really cool. We see the comments on the screen. StreamYard is really cool. Please visit also my first permit. Yes, we will, because it's 3 here. Yeah, 3:15, 9:15. We'll be there to support too. She's still muted. You're still muted. I wish I can put some music. My motto in YouTube is help as well. Yeah, that's true. Do you wait? What is my question? Um, so you need watch time also, because I see you have you already have many friends. I think maybe more. You have more than 2K, if I remember. We need to support for watch time. It's the most important thing. I'm not even sure if you can hear me when I speak. Support my very first. Oh, it's your first premiere. So it's not an LS. It's a premiere video, recorded video. Yes, we will welcome. I'm happy about the first LS here because at least we're not alone. It's still better. I see the cat over there. Two p.m. to 5 p.m. Philippines time. Oh, so you have the same schedule for your LS every time. That's good to keep a schedule. The baby is still crying. Yes, you're right. It's already 1 p.m. But you can continue. You can continue even without me. You can continue the LS. Alright, because I don't know if you hear. You will end in just a few minutes. Tamis. What? I will not cry in Tagalog. Magasan ako. Okay, I have a good cooking and um, dinner. Yeah, it's dinner. Did you eat, Mahal? You also eat soon? Maybe. Uh, what time? 6, almost 7 p.m. Yes, you have to do regularly. But you can continue maybe, I don't know, 3 hours. Uh, I can keep, I can stay on the live and work. Just I can stay and work, but I won't be active. I'm here in less than 3 hours. I'm gonna start working now. I'm gonna have lunch also. I'm gonna have lunch first. So yeah, I can. I don't know how to disconnect. I can leave the studio, um, or I can just. Yeah, I think I should leave the studio. I leave the studio. But you can continue, babe, even if I'm not here. I stay on the screen and on the phone.